We'll guide you through how to download and install the Google app on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the Google app is really convenient, as you can then go and quickly access Google and more tools in there, like Google Lens and other things as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure you watch this full guide. You do need to go and have a connection to the internet, whether that's via Wi-Fi or mobile or cellular data. So to go and get started, we need to go and head to the App Store. It looks like this. You can always go and drag down and go and type in App Store if you're looking for it. Then what you can do is you want to come down to the bottom. You can browse through apps to go and find it, but it's just quicker to go and find search just here. Then you can go and press the search bar at the top. And we're going to go and type in Google, like so. Now, as you can see, here it is, Google, and we can go and press the cloud icon to the right. For you, it'll probably go and say get if it's the first time getting it. I have had that icon because I've had it before and deleted it. You may have seen that before across other apps in the App Store for you. Don't worry if you haven't. So you can go and press open to the right there, or we can come out of the App Store and we can go and find Google. As you can see, there it is, and we can then go and tap on it. So I'll just go and give it the notifications here. You can go and log into your account in the top right. I'm already logged in. You can press the more options button in the bottom right and access some different things and go and get using it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.